Fuck. Here we go. Cops have been called for nothing but me walking down here to take pictures. How you doing?
What's your name?
Sir?
What's your name?
I didn't give it.
Okay, I'm Officer Port. Okay, we just got a call out here because you're out here filming. So we just got a call from them because they said they thought it was suspicious.
Yeah,
to be out here filming.
I had literally, we came up here, brought my daughter to the water pad up here. I walked down here to get a picture of the tank. Before I make it halfway down right here, of course I was holding the phone like this, walking out there getting ready to get pictures of it. Some woman comes out dressed in uniform, you know, cussing, yelling at me, telling me she's gonna have my ass hauled out of here. I was like, ma'am, I'm on a public sidewalk out here, you know,
right.
And I'm not on y'all's property or anything. Well, it's against the law. You can't take pictures of this place. And I was like, ma'am, I know the law. The Supreme Court ruled anything we can see from a public sidewalk, we can record it.
Okay.
So I'm at.
All right. Well, do you have your ID on you? Here's the thing. They want you banned. Okay. They don't want. I know you're not on their property now, but they don't want you on their property at all. So I have to ban you for 2 years. Okay, because they were requesting it.
I'm not on their property.
I know. That's what I'm saying. I understand you're not on their property, but they still requested that you be banned from their property just due to that suspicious activity.
So you can ban somebody that's on public. You're live on the internet, by the way. You can ban somebody who's standing on a public sidewalk doing nothing, not even on their property. They can ban you from it, even though you've not entered their property at all.
Yes, sir. They can. They can request you be banned.
Okay, well, I promise you, I will never come on their property, but I'm not giving up my ID.
Well, here's the thing. I have to have your ID because I have to document it. Right?
In order to ID, I have to commit a crime, sir.
You're not.
I talked to the captain the other day. I did this right down the road at the other one. Right, not there.
Huh? Captain Glights?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
I did it right down at the other Armory, right down the road over there. He knows what I'm doing.
Gotcha. Did you give you his ID?
I gave him my first name.
Your first name? Well, like I said, I'm letting you know right now that they're wanting you banned, okay? So I'm just letting you know that, okay? So you're not allowed on their property for 2 years, or you can go to jail for criminal trespass.
I'm not going on their property.
Okay.
So to be clear, their property starts on that grass line right there, right?
That line of grass all the way to the other side.
Yeah, I'm not going nowhere near that.
You're not allowed on any of their property. If they catch you on that property and they have video of you,
the park back there is not there, still, is it?
No, it is not.
Okay.
It is just the fence line right here.
Oh, yeah,
My knowledge,
okay.
that fence line.
Trust me,
Okay.
I won't be on their property.
All right. Yep, you're good to go.
That's why I stood out here and took the pictures I took already.
That works. Thank you.
Yep. Can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Yep. I can give you one thing. I'll give you a business card.
Okay.
There you go.
All right.
My business cards. Yep.
Thank you, sir.